Are you looking for a die cut machine? In this video, I will show you the 5 best die cut machines based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Cricut Joy. Turn your inspiration board intentions into action with a little help from your DIY best friend, Cricut Joy. Ridiculously easy to set up and use, this smart little cutting and writing machine helps you make more in less time, so you'll find yourself personalizing, organizing, and customizing every single day. Cut vinyl decals for custom water bottles or wall decor. Quickly make kitchen or office labels. Bust out a birthday banner or a just because card. It also works with Cricut Smart Materials for super easy, super long cuts without a cutting mat. Just load and go. With a plethora of projects that take just 15 minutes, Cricut Joy makes it fast and easy to make something unique for you or anyone at a moment's notice. The 4th product on the list is the AccuQuilt GO. RGO. Fabric cutter is 90% faster than rotary cutters or scissors. This allows you to cut fast and accurately, while enjoying our safe, easy-to-use design. Weighing only 15 pounds, our portable design allows you to take your quilting with you no matter where you are going. The 3rd product on the list is the Silhouette Cameo 4. The all-new Cameo 4 now features a built-in roll feeder. Since select rolled materials, such as vinyl and heat transfer material, have their own backing, they generally do not require a cutting mat and can be fed directly into the Silhouette cutting machine. The roll feeder provides an easy and convenient way to hold rolled material, as it is being fed into the Silhouette cutting machine, thus allowing you the convenience of cutting longer jobs while properly aligning your material so that it is straight as it feeds through the machine. The 2nd product on the list is the Sizzix Big Shot. The Big Shot die cutting and embossing machine is the perfect tool for a wide range of creative pursuits. With a 6'5" wide opening, the Big Shot cuts shapes and intricate designs in a matter of seconds. With hundreds of designs in the Sizzix product library to choose from, this machine is the perfect tool to cater for every kind of crafter, from beginner to expert. The Big Shot machine and its accompanying die or folder is made for use with the Sizzix product library, including bigs, thinlets, framelets, textured impressions, texture fades and impresslets embossing folders, with the exception of dies and embossing folders wider than 6'5". Empowering creativity, the Big Shot has the ability to die cut and emboss a multitude of materials, from cardstock and vellum to leather and matte board. The 1st product on the list is the Cricut Maker. Introducing the Cricut Maker, the ultimate smart cutting machine. With its revolutionary adaptive tool system and expandable suite of tools, Maker gives you the freedom to make virtually any DIY project you can imagine. Use the rotary blade to cut fabric for a sewing project without backing material. Switch to the knife blade and cut chipboard for added dimension and depth. Maker has the tools to cut hundreds of materials quickly and accurately, from the most delicate fabric and paper to matte board and leather. Featuring unique cutting versatility, a huge library of design ideas and sewing patterns available instantly, and easy-to-use apps, Maker delivers professional-level cutting performance that anyone can use. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.